Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, Maths of Prep Class.
Hello students, today we will learn about currency. On page number 43, our currency is called Pakistani rupees. We use rupees to buy things like toys, fruits, chocolates and books. Let's see our Pakistani coins and notes one by one. One coin, this is 1 rupee. It is the small coin. We can buy a toffee or small candy with 1 rupees. Next one is 2 rupees coin. This is 2 rupees. It is a little bigger than 1 rupees. ये 1 rupees से बड़ा है. We can buy 2 candies or small biscuits with 2 rupees. Next one is 5 rupees. 5 rupees is more than 2 rupees. We can buy 5 candies with 5 rupees. 10 rupees. This is 10 rupees. It is a colorful note. We can buy a juice box or a small toy with 10 rupees. Next one is 20 rupees note. This is 20 rupees. We can buy a notebook or ice cream with 20 rupees. Last one is 50 rupees note. This is 50 rupees. We can buy a storybook or a set of crayons with 50 rupees. Students, all these coins and notes are our Pakistani currency. We earn, save and spend money wisely. Pakistani rupees? Yeah, very good. Now let's say thank you, Pakistan.